Hey guys, Loree here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some footage from our first few days in France. We've been back for about a week and I can genuinely say we had a wonderful time. I'm so happy that we spent the bulk of our trip out in the country, which was amazing. The trip was amazing. We had sunshine every single day of the trip. Now, before leaving for France, I had checked the weather and it showed a number of days, a good number of days, where it said it was going to be raining. But I just prayed that the weather guys were on our side when we got there, and they were. We had gorgeous weather every single day of our trip, with the exception of the day that we were leaving. So in this particular video, I'm going to be walking you through like a small mini apartment tour. I didn't get to film it the way that I wanted to. The footage that I shot was actually a quick video that I was sending to my family and had meant to go back later and do like an official tour for you guys, but I do have a good amount of footage that I can share. So yeah, I'm going to be sharing an apartment tour from our first apartment in Paris. We went on a big bus tour that was dope. So the cool thing about the big bus tour was you can hop on and off at the various historical sites that they stopped at, and you can get back on to take it back to the stop that you got on. We got on, for example, we got on at Notre Dame, which was walking distance from our apartment. Another thing that I loved about this big bus tour was the live map. They have an app that you can download and you can see in real time where the buses are throughout the city, so you can kind of get an idea of when your bus would be getting to you or when a bus would be getting to you, and they had a number of them on the various routes. So that was really cool. It seemed like they came every 5 minutes. The bus also had Wi-Fi. So on our first day there, let me backtrack a little bit. On our first day there, we came in, it was kind of chill. We went to dinner at a vegetarian spot where we had some veggie burgers and just chilled out, took the kids for a walk. And we also went for a walk along the Seine River. That was super gorgeous. So the following day, which was exciting for me because I know how much my baby loves trains, we took a high-speed train to Brussels for the day. And at this point, my sister had joined us in the trip. So we got to Brussels in about an hour and a half, and we walked around and we snacked all day. We sat out at this one bar and we just chatted for a couple hours, hanging out in the sunshine, sipping beer and having snacks and eating cheese. We also had chocolate, some amazing chocolate. I didn't buy any because I didn't want it to melt, and I just had so much stuff with me for the trip that I was like, nah, it's not a big deal. I'll have some here, and it's easy to find here in New York, so it wasn't a big deal for me to purchase any, but I definitely snacked on my fair share of chocolate. I also had some delicious waffles because, of course, they're also known for their waffles. And so yeah, we just ate. We snacked, we walked around. I picked up a few souvenirs from my mom and my mother-in-law. And then we hopped on the train and we came back. So the train ride was also amazing. It had Wi-Fi and comfy seats. We were seated at the opposite end of the little cafe that they have on the train. But it was so cute, and they have these stands set up where you could just hang out and look out the huge windows as you're riding through the countryside. Or you could like sip your coffee and chill out. That was so cute. But I just grabbed my snacks and I went back to our seat. And in my next video, I'm going to share footage from the small town that we stayed in called Prasac. It was so cute. It was such a small town. There wasn't a ton going on. But the little cottage that we stayed in was adorable. They had made us fresh baked banana bread. It was so charming and adorable and just gorgeous. So I'm going to be sharing that in my following video. I think I may have something in between that. So yeah, I'm going to let you get right into this video. I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoy editing. It was so much fun to look back on our trip. This is our little humble abode, guys, for the next couple days. We'll give you guys a tour in a second. That's upstairs. We had a, oh, you excited? The upstairs is here. They want to do a tour of the stairs. They want to go upstairs. I'm ready.
I'll come up here. This is so cute up here. Mom, this is so cute up here.
It is cute. Let's keep going.
Mom, do you see my feet up here?
Now I see your little feet. There's a little skylight there. Cute little room that overlooks the living room. And it has a little window there. And this guy is playing with the light. This is the other room. And it overlooks the kitchen. Excuse me, baby. Over there. And you see. Look, we have a tiny view of the Eiffel Tower right there. Yeah, a little bit. We'll see a little sparkle and shine tonight.
What's this?
Veggie burger. We have French fries. Hey guys, so it's me and the Sweezy here. We're waiting on Babe. They stopped. We're near Notre Dame. We stopped for a quick break over at this little play area that they have. But today was so much fun. We did a big bus tour and we mostly stayed on the bus. We didn't get off because we were short on time. But I definitely want to get back to the Eiffel Tower, so hopefully we can do that. But yeah, we're headed back to the apartment and I'll chat with you guys soon. Such a pretty street. Look at all the bikes. Hey guys, so we are headed to Brussels today. We're right across the street from the Gare du Nord station. We're about to hop on a fast train to Brussels, where we're gonna spend a good portion of the day. Okay, Current, you ready for your interview?
Yeah.
We're on our train. What do you think so far?
We're gonna go. Thank you.
We're about to go to Brussels.
Brussels.
Yeah, Brussels mussels. And we got the Players Suite, guys.
$95.96.
Let's go. What's that, guys?
That's us moving. The train's moving. We've just taken off, and nice smooth ride. Comfy cars, lots of space. We played ourselves because we didn't bring our USB cord to charge our phones. Wait, said her babies are tired. Oh, really?
Why is it spinning?
The wind is blowing it, and it's generating power.
Yeah, from the train.
Huh? The wind? Just the wind outside. That's why it's called
like
wind
here.
C'est à destination de Paris et entrée centrale de 10h50.
Snug as a bug in the rug. Oh, waffle shop's just right over there. It smells amazing. Let's see this little fountain. The famous fountain. It's so small.
They dress up the statue. See?
That's where we're going. going. Let's go inside, sweets.
Oh my goodness.
So we're here outside waiting on my babe. He went to take Crunch to the restroom, so we're waiting outside the chocolate factory. Excuse me. We tried some chocolate. What did you think of the chocolate, Guido?
I don't like it.
She didn't like hers. She took my mango passion fruit, so that one was flavored. And she didn't want me to have a bite of it. I tried giving her milk chocolate, but she wanted the whole square piece. But it was delicious. It's very smooth tasting and it melts so nicely. So I'm gonna buy a couple pieces for later on tonight, because we have red wine too at the house key. So yeah, from this angle I look very shiny. I don't know if I'm very shiny right now, but yeah, so we're gonna chill out, we're gonna walk around. I'm really looking forward to trying some beer and fries. But it's still so early. It's probably like 12 right now. So I have people looking at me, but it's fine. But yeah, so we're gonna walk around some more. I'm glad the kids are awake. She napped for about, what, like an hour, hour and a half. She napped on my back. So now we're ready to go. I'll see you soon.
Speculoos, Brazilian nut. We got chili, ginger, mango. I forgot. I don't know. He just kept throwing stuff in there. I was like, okay.
The circular one. What was that? He gave it to me. Oh, that's a salted caramel.
Yeah, salted caramel. That's right.
Yeah, the speculoos is really good. The salted caramel is also my favorite. Good
Yeah,
stuff.
you told me you liked it. So it's like you want some.
Now it's time for me to catch. I need to catch.
This place is good. Fry stop. What do you think of the fries, Weezer?
Water.
What do you think of the fries, Crunch? They're hot, huh? We're at a stop number, I don't know which one, but we're having a quick drink. We wanted to test out some authentic Belgian beer, and then we're gonna probably head back. Alright, so we're headed back. There's the city hall behind me. We've been chilling out for a minute now. We're headed back to, I think we're gonna grab dinner and then head back to the train. I was looking for you guys, but all I had to do was listen for Crunchy's voice. Keith, huh? What do you think of Belgium so far? Let's get into the light. Quite divine. The beer's great, the chocolate's great. Yeah, it's great. We had nice weather. It's hella great. No, it was nice. I love it. Sweeta, I have a question.
Yeah.
What do you think of Belgium? We're in Belgium, Brussels. We're not in the train. We're outside. What do you think of this place? Yo.
We went on the train that we go to this.
What was your favorite part of today?
Playing catch with the elephant.
Oh, playing with the elephant? She was playing with a chocolate elephant earlier, huh?
I want to go there.
You like the elephant?
I want to go so high. I love that.
Oh, Sweeza. Kissy. Kissy. what are you thinking?
I wouldn't mind spending a night here. It's so nice.
Really, what do you like most about it?
All of the little alleyways with restaurants and shops because you don't know what you're gonna find. And we didn't do a ton of research, so it was nice. And the beer. And I'm looking forward to waffles.
Oh my
Everyone's
God.
friendly. It's so diverse.
Yeah.
Very easy to find English-speaking people because I'm spoiled like that.
Oh man. It was nice. It's nice seeing all these chocolate faces.
So
Chocolate faces.
melanin. So much melanin everywhere, which is nice to see. So, yeah, I love it.
Everybody is up in here, up in her. We'll halt for a thrift shop. Let's go see what they have inside.
Yeah, what I'm saying in general, like in general.
Listen, I'm American, okay? I'm having my way. I need a fork. I thought I grabbed 5 forks. Oh, there is one. No, there's one here. Look at Rita. She's gonna yum dance. Auntie's gonna slide. Oh, that's really good.
I heard it say yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Track 3A, the service.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.